Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Mom.
Where are you going?
To see if Santa finished his milk. He left crumbs?
Silly.
He left crumbs.
Yeah, he must have liked them or got full, huh? That's sweet. Did he leave new presents?
I don't know yet because no one knows which one is wrapped in. We should fill our stockings.
What? Did he come?
Yeah! I knew Santa did not miss our house. He really saw our sign, did he, Mommy?